a button to choose.
Or click here to have a look. Buckle up tight, and I'll do the same. Next up, the Beehive and Seek game. Beehive and Seek. Click one of these buttons to choose a level. Easy, medium, hard.
What is it? Why are we stopping?
It sounds like a buzz for help. Do you hear? A lost baby bumblebee is somewhere quite near.
I see it! But how can we help something so tiny when we're so big?
Just the thought I was thinking. Hang on tight for some thingamashrinking.
Hop aboard, little bumblebee. Which way is your hive? Bzz. She says there are lots of beehives nearby, but she can't remember which one is hers.
Here's a map of the park below. Maps can show us the way to go.
I get it. The map shows us what the whole park looks like from above. Those are trees. That's the pond. I see the swing set and sandbox. And look, there are all of the beehives. Hey, that hive is behind the sandbox. It's further away from us than the sandbox. But the hive is closer to us than the swings. So, it's also in front of the swings. Let's head to the beehive now. Maybe we can find out where this little bee lives.
Let's get started. What do you say? This map will help us find our way.
We need to find the hive that is behind the swing set. Remember, behind means it's farther away from us. Click on the hive when you find it.
Pond. Beehive. Pumpkin patch. Nicely done. Exactly right. Here we go. Hang on tight.
The baby bumblebee doesn't live here.
Not to worry. We know what to do. The bees have given us the next beehive clue.
This, not quite. Here's the flower patch. We're looking for the hive that is behind the flower patch. I don't think so. We're looking for the hive that is behind the flower.
That's the one! Hip hive hooray! Ready or not, we're on our way!
No, not again! Wait, they recognize the baby bumblebee. Bzzz. They know just where she lives.
Excellent news from our bumblebee friend. Our beehive search is nearing its end.
Only one more to go. Let's find the hive that is closest to the pond. Click on the hive when you find it.
That's the hive. I knew you'd know. We'll be there soon. Let's go, go, go!
Found the right hive. Baby Bumblebee isn't lost anymore.
We followed directions and we found our way. Thanks to the map, it's a home sweet home day.
Ready for some more fun?